Welcome to Education Hub. In this video, we will learn about tuple in Python. Tuples. Tuple are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Tuple items are ordered, unchangeable and allow duplicate values. Tuple items are indexed. The first item has index 0, second item has index 1 and so on. Tuples are written in round bracket. Tuple items are ordered. Ordered means that the items have a defined order and that order will not change. Unchangeable means we cannot change, add or remove items after the tuple has been created. Duplicate means since tuples are indexed, they can have items with the same value. Now, how to create a tuple? Tuple, it consists of 3 items. Simply print tuple, run it, then it will print items apple, banana, mango. Duplicate values, it allows duplicate values. Tuple contains duplicate items. Print tuple, tuple allow duplicate items. Tuple length. To determine how many items a tuple has, use the len function. Tuple equal to apple, banana, orange. It consists of 3 items. Print len tuple. It print the number of items in a tuple. There are 3 items in a tuple. Tuple item can be of any data type. Here tuple 1 equal to ABC, 3, 4, true, 40, male means it contains any data type. It contains string, integer, float. Print tuple 1. Then tuple item can be of any data items, data types. How to access the tuple items? You can access tuple items by referring to the index number inside square bracket. Tuple, it contains 3 items. Print tuple 1. This is the index number. Then it will print banana. Negative indexing, refer to the start from the end. -1 refer to the last item, -2 refer to the second last item and so on. Tuple, it contains 3 items. Print tuple -1. Then it will print the last item of the tuple, that is mango. 2:5. This is the range of indexes. You can specify range of indexing by specifying where to start and where to end the range. This tuple, it consists of these items. Print this tuple 2:5. It returns the 3rd, 4th and 5th item, that is apple, banana and mango. The search will start at index 2 and end at index 5. This tuple, it contains these items. Print this tuple 4. This example returns the item from the beginning to. It will print apple, banana, cherry, orange. Not include kiwi. By leaving out the end value, the range will go on to the end of the list. These are the items. Print tuple 2:. This example returns the items from cherry and to the end. Cherry, orange, kiwi, melon, mango. Range of negative indexes, that is -4, -1. It specifies negative indexes if you want to start the search from the end of the tuple. These are the items. Print tuple -4:-1. Run it, it will print orange, kiwi and melon. Check if item exists. To determine if a specified item is present in a tuple, use the in keyword. Tuple apple, banana, mango. If mango in tuple, print yes, mango is in the fruit tuple. Run it. Then yes, mango is in the fruit tuple. Now next, change tuple values. How to change the tuple values? Once a tuple is created, you cannot change its value. But there is a workaround. You can convert the tuple into a list to be able to change it. Tuple, a list equal to list are tuple, a list equal to 3, updated tuple, tuple a list, print updated tuple. Here a list 0 equal to 3, that is executed, run it, it will print 3, 1, 2. Next, x equal to 1, 2, 3, x0 equal to 10, print x equal to tuple x, print x. So, if we change the tuple value, we cannot change its value directly. You can convert the tuple into a list. Add items. Since tuples are immutable, they don't have a built-in append method. But there are other ways to add items to a tuple. First, you have to convert it into a list. Add your items and convert it back into a tuple. Here T1, it contains these items, list, then L1 dot append 100. Run it, output 1050 up to 56 and here append 100. So you can convert into a list, add your items and convert it back into a tuple. Add tuple to a tuple. You are allowed to add tuples to tuple. So if you want to add one item or many, create a new tuple with the item and add it to the existing tuple. Let's take example. Create a new tuple with the value mango and add that tuple. Remember to include a comma after the item. This tuple, these are the items. New tuple, print this tuple, then apple, banana, cherry, mango. Next, remove items. You can't remove items in a tuple because tuples are unchangeable. So convert the tuple into a list. First we have to convert the tuple into list. Then print my tuple list. Here element to be removed, my tuple list 1. So run it. Output is 1, 2 and study tonight study. Pop, my tuple list dot pop 2. This is the second. Pop it, then it will remove study tonight study. Print 1, 2, 3.78, 9.58. Del, my tuple list, these are the items. Del my tuple list 0. 0, that is 1, 2. Print my tuple list. Then run it. Output is 3.78, 9.56 and study tonight. Unpacking a tuple. When we create a tuple, we normally assign values to it. This is called packing a tuple. But in Python, we are also allowed to extract the values back into variable. This is called unpacking. Let's take example, fruits. These are the items. Green, yellow, red equal to fruits. Print green, print yellow, print red. Run it. And the output is apple, banana, cherry. We are allowed to extract the value back into variables. Python for loop tuple. You can loop through a tuple items by using a for loop. Iterate through the item and print the values. Tuple contains 3 items. For x in tuple, print x. Iterate through the items and it will print the values, that is apple, banana, mango. Join tuples. To join 2 or more tuples, you can use the plus operator. Tuple 1 contains 3 items, tuple 2 also contains the 3 items, tuple 3 equal to tuple 1 plus tuple 2, print tuple 3. You can join 2 or more tuples by using the plus operators. Multiply tuples. If you want to multiply the content of a tuple a given number of times, you can use the star operator, that is multiplication symbol operator. Fruit, these are the items. My tuple fruits into 2. It means multiply the fruit tuples by 2. Print my tuple. Run it and the output is fruits into 2, that is mango, banana, cherry, mango, banana, cherry.